watch the most boring thing you can ever think of imagining to watch. Me changing out studs. Get your punch out. You hit it with a thumb detector. And it's starting to go. And it just went. Put your truck into neutral.
You mean park?
Gotta turn it. Then you put your neutral truck back into one of the gears. In my case, second. Now you want to get this thing. It's called a stud, and you just stick it in the hole backwards. Get that. You put a socket over. I'm using a number 17 metric for my S10 pickup. You want to use one of your bolts. Put the thing on the thing, put the thing in the thing, and it doesn't really bite. So you got to put the thing on first. And I put something around here somewhere. There it is. A ring-a-thinger. Isn't this boring? It is for me. You get your breaker bar and you just break it. Once you get that thing broken under a few turns, you just turn it right back off. Wow, look at all those metal shavings. Gonna go right into someone's foot.
Mine.
Probably. And since I already used that one, might as well use a different one so I don't strip it out too bad.
Stuff.
What?
I'm stealing your stuff.
He's stealing my stuff. Hey, just put that thing on. It's only about one, maybe two threads at most deep. And you just start reefing on it. And it'll just suck that thing right on in there. Or strip it out. In my case, it just stripped it right out. Ow.
This thing is so stupidly slow.
Stupidly slow, you say? Stupidly slow.
It's got a really beautiful low end though. You know, after I sell it.
That's what they all say. Alright, well, this is what I did the first time. I used my slide hammer to start it off with. This is Florida. The bugs are great. Any comments there from the cameraman?
Don't drop a spark plug.
Yeah, he dropped his spark plug a few times. It's just like dropping the soap.
Twice.
Need to find a washer. Check the junk in your truck. Bound to find something. That won't work. Alright, yeah, once you do this, you get the thing and you back it off. And then it's in. And we only stripped out one. Holy, that's hot. That's how you know you've done it the right way. So let me pick y'all up here and take a look at what we did. This one had broke on the way going down the highway, and at that point I only had 3 of them holding on. Be this one, and the one that just broke. So doing about 80 down the highway, you have a lot of play in the steering wheel. You got this tire bouncing because the new one is on that side. So this one was bouncing like crazy. It had 3 lug nuts, and apparently somehow I made it home. I don't know how, but it happened. Yeah. Wow, that's a lot of dust in there. Don't know if the camera will pick it up, but that was a lot of dust. Yeah, you just throw this thing back on it. There we go. And then you just throw your wheel back on. I found that it's easier to just let the wheel sit there and you jack it up. There we go. Just throw these sons of bitches on there and you're good. And through the magic of YouTube, and it's done. Almost. Just need to tighten this stuff up some more. It's always a good idea to line these things up. Like you just put your entire weight into it. Yep. That one is torqued down to, what is it? 3.5 grunts. Yeah, 3.5 grunts. I am a human torque wrench.
Which is how many foot-pounds?
It's like 100.
Like?
Close to it. Close only counts in horseshoes, atomic bombs, and messing with cars.
Gay!